when a report of a kidnapping spiraled into a multi-agency police pursuit and a dramatic use of force incident. The events captured on newly released body camera footage paint a chaotic picture of a high-stakes confrontation with a suspect wanted in connection with a homicide.
Cool, right? Well, yeah, that was all done by AI. Watch this video all the way to the end to be able to create content like this too. These types of crime and police body cam videos, or documentary videos as I may say, are immensely popular. They are getting thousands of views. Just look at the EWU channels. They have multiple different channels with millions of subscribers and views. Before we begin, here is a disclaimer. The following video and the methods described deal with sensitive subject matter, including real-life criminal incidents that can be disturbing. Viewer discretion is strongly advised. The analysis of body camera footage is based on publicly available information and may not represent the complete picture of an event. The goal is to understand and document these events factually and respectfully, not to sensationalize tragedy. Crucially, this video does not constitute legal advice on copyright or fair use. While some body camera footage is released by government agencies and may fall under public domain, this is not always the case. It is your sole responsibility to investigate the copyright status and licensing terms of any footage you intend to use. Do not assume any material is free to use without your own thorough investigation. This channel is not accountable for how you source or use footage in your own productions. Okay, that was a long disclaimer, but yeah, it is very important. So let's get actually started now. The first step is actually to get the body cam footage and the story we can make our documentary about. And like I said in the disclaimer, please do your own research and check for yourself whether you can use certain content or not. I found this website that publicly releases body cam footage of the US Border Patrol. Here is the video, for example. Then I clicked on View on dvidshub.com. Here you can see additional information as well as the copyright status. Here it says Public Domain. Be also sure to read this. And as a side note, the release of body cam footage in the US is different per state, as you can see here on this map. And I found out that a lot of these YouTube crime channels contact local police departments to request certain body cam footage. They get the footage, and then they need to pay a little sum of money for the service cost. If you are really interested in doing these types of video, you should really dive deeper in the copyright stuff. I'm just here to introduce you to creating these types of videos. And more importantly, how to use AI in this matter, because the next step is just mind-blowing. We will now simply copy the URL of this bodycam video. Now we go to Google's AI Studio in order to access the latest version of Gemini, and then write the following. I want to create a crime channel on YouTube. For my first video, I want to talk about this video. Now add the video link here, and then write, please give me a narration script that I can use for my text-to-speech generator. Look at that! That is just amazing! It gave you the entire script and also scene information and sources, but since I want an easy to copy and paste script, I will ask for a plain script like this. This is brilliant. Now copy the script and then go to a text-to-speech generator to turn the text into speech. And guys, be sure to check out this video where I showed you a free and unlimited to use AI text-to-speech generator. Since I have 11 labs, I will use it and choose a cool voice from the voice library. This voice, which is in the trending list, sounds just perfect for our type of videos now. Now add the script. For the sake of this video, I will only generate a small portion of the script. Now generate it.
A quiet afternoon in Bisbee, Arizona took a violent turn on June 19th, 2024.
Okay, not bad. But unfortunately, it is way too slow. So here on the right, let's change the speed like this and generate it again.
A quiet afternoon in Bisbee, Arizona took a violent turn on June 19th, 2024.
Now that sounds great. Download the audio and import it in a new CapCut project. Now, of course, we also needed to download the Bodycam footage. In my case, I could log in and download it from the website. Now drag the footage also in CapCut. Now we need to edit it and make the video engaging and interesting for the viewer. Be sure to be respectful and do not make it sensational. I will start by showing the Bodycam footage at an interesting point, and then the narration comes. If you want to blur certain parts, duplicate the clip, add a lot of blur, and then add a mask. Now let's add some captions and choose nice template. Now for the background music, we will get some suspenseful music from the YouTube audio library. Also add it to CapCut. You can do a lot of editing, take notice of your competition, and evolve. Like we can add this image of Arizona. When you want to dive deeper, you can add a suspect image, but be careful showing their face. It is best to blur it. Do your own research. For the purpose of this video, I will use an AI-generated image. No add a filter. And also do not forget to add a disclaimer of liability or other disclaimers like EW did. Better to be safe than sorry. When you are done, export it in 4K. Now it's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Hey, he was shooting at me right here. Watch his hands. Watch it.
A quiet afternoon in Bisbee, Arizona took a violent turn on June 19, 2024, when a report of a kidnapping spiraled into a multi-agency police pursuit and a dramatic use of force incident. The events, captured on newly released body camera footage, paint a chaotic picture of a high-stakes confrontation with a suspect wanted in connection with a homicide. Today we're breaking down the official reports and the body cam video to understand what happened on that day in Cochise County. It all began around 3:21 p.m. at a Circle K convenience store in Bisbee. An Arizona Department of Public Safety state trooper witnessed a woman jump out of a green Infiniti G35 sedan and run towards him as the car sped away. The distraught woman reported she had been kidnapped and assaulted by the driver. But this was just the beginning. The trooper soon learned the same vehicle was being sought by the Tucson Police Department in connection with a homicide that had occurred earlier that day. For hours, law enforcement was on high alert. At approximately 7:30 p.m., a Cochise County Sheriff's deputy spotted the wanted Infiniti at a Chevron gas station. The deputy attempted to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver refused to yield, and a pursuit began.